Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So very quickly right here I want to be talking about the latest updates about the gram airdrop that we are participating on right here on Telegram. Okay, so do well to stick with the video and do not skip any part of it to understand all the necessary analysis that I'm going to be doing concerning this particular project, because they've actually announced a lot of things. All right, so I'm going to be talking about them right now on this particular video. Please, if you're coming across my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing. I make videos around crypto airdrop, how to make money online, and about AI. So do well to subscribe to my channel if that is your interest. So right now, without wasting time, here I am currently on the gram dashboard right on the Telegram app. So we started this airdrop a couple of months ago, and right now they are planning on concluding the airdrop program. So looking over here, this simply shows your total earning right here, and of course this shows if you are currently mining or not, and we actually claim this token every 4 hours, and of course the whole thing keep on going like that. So right now I want to be talking much more about the updates that they have right here on the Telegram or the Telegram community. So over here they were just busy telling us about the the level on which they are currently. They are currently on 69 on July 14th, and scrolling down right now there have been a lot of updates right here on their official Telegram channel. And over here guys, they are trying to let us know that they are also do giveaway, blah blah blah, stuff like that, but that is not my interest. My interest is when they said a lot of stuff about the upcoming TGE and also the price at which they are listing at. That is where I want to talk a little bit at. So right now, scrolling down right now, this is where they give their tokens, tokenomics right here, and of course right here there are a lot of things to actually consider right here. So the first thing right here is that their total fixed supply is 500 million. Now over here they said fixed, meaning that they won't be producing more in the future. 500 million token will be 500 million token till eternity. Now over here guys, they are saying right here that the community actually have 44%. that is to say that 44% is for the community, and of course right now the TGE is 2026, though they have not yet disclosed the exact date for the TGE. Now another thing to actually put in mind right here is of course their listing price. That is where I actually have problem at. So over here they went ahead to tell us that their listing price is going to be $0.27. This is a very nice listing price for this particular token, given the amount of token that we have actually mined right here on their app. So I want to be making some things clear now that they are giving us now they are giving us their listing price even before the list token. If you have been on the crypto airdrop space for a couple of times, you get to understand that this is a very red flag. All right, to give us the price of the token is only they are aiming at actually a kind of trying to make the community to be very, very excited about the project, and at the end of the day most of the time it doesn't go that exact way. So if you are participating on this gram airdrop, I want you to disregard the price that they are giving you right here, and of course focus on your safety while participating on this particular airdrop called gram. Now if we should do the calculation to determine the market cap of this token when they finally list on exchanges, the market cap is expected to be around $13.5 million, which is way much more than what majority of other Telegram projects have when they finally launch. So this price that you are seeing right here could be correct, but at the same time we don't know what will happen at the end of this particular project. Maybe at the end of this particular project they will tend to try to kind of lure us to do one or two things which may not be totally on our own safety. So right now, scrolling down right here, let me show you a couple of new things right here. So coming over here, we have a spin right here they recently introduced this, and what basically happens right here is that you spin, and depending on how lucky you are, you get to earn reward. All right, so over here guys, I've just spin, I've got 2 grams right here, and they say that you can watch ad to claim, or you can click on later. So right now you can see I have 3 spin right here. I will click on it again, and you need to claim this one, and basically you need to watch an ad before you can be able to claim. Now after watching the ad, you can see right here that I've just claimed this, and when I click on spin again, it's going to roll up, and they are going to be giving me a random amount of grams. So I'm not going to be watching this any longer. So going back right now, if you have been on this project for a couple of times, you will get to understand that there have been a lot of adverts. Now it is very heady for this project because sometimes they get the money that they are going to give you for the airdrop. That is, they get the money to back up their project from the advert that they are running right here. So it's totally healthy for projects to run adverts on their platform. Okay, so right now the whole thing is very, very simple, and if you're participating on this particular project airdrop, the only thing I need you to be very much aware of is that you should be careful, because at the end of the day they may ask or request for something that we are not really willing to give. All right, so you guys understand where I'm driving at. So right now, this is the latest update right now regarding this particular project called Gram Airdrop, which we are currently participating on Telegram. All right, so the name of this project is Gram Network, and of course they are willing to give gram to their participants. So if you're interested in starting this airdrop, there's going to be a link right there on the video description box. You can use the link to get starting today. Looking down here, I've got about 64 referrals right here, and the 64 referral have actually earned me 128 gram. That is I almost got everything I have right here from the referral. So I'm not putting all my efforts right on crypto airdrop. All right, I only check on it when I'm less busy. All right, so I'm going to be stopping here right now, and of course, if any new update drops about this particular project, I'm going to be checking on it, and I'm going to be keeping you guys informed. All right, so thank you for watching the video, guys, and I'll be speaking to you on the next video that I'll be dropping very soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing and like this video, share it so that people out there will also get to learn about this. Thank you for watching, and I'll be speaking to you on the next video.